What if the next big AI breakthrough does not live inside a chat box? What if it walks into a factory, picks up a tool, opens a drawer, sorts medicine, and learns from the real world? That idea is called physical AI. It means artificial intelligence is moving from screens into machines that can touch, move, and act. For years, robots looked impressive in demos, but struggled with ordinary messy tasks. A cup can be at a weird angle, a box can be half open, a floor can be slippery. Humans solve these problems without thinking, because our eyes, hands, balance, and brain work together. Physical AI tries to connect those same pieces in a machine: cameras to see, sensors to feel distance and pressure, hands to grip, and software to plan the next step. The important part is not making a robot look human. The important part is making it useful. A robot does not need a perfect face to help in a warehouse. It needs hands that can pick different objects, a brain that understands instructions, and safety systems that know when to stop. That is why the first major wave may appear in factories, labs, hospitals, farms, and logistics centers before ordinary homes. These places have repeated tasks, clear goals, and real value if the robot saves time. But this shift also creates big questions. Who is responsible when a robot makes a mistake? Which jobs change first? How do we make sure machines help people instead of replacing trust? The future is not just smarter software. The future is intelligence with hands. And when AI finally enters the physical world, the screen stops being the limit